Suzuki Alto 2003 full genuine inside AC chilled. New Tyres best budget car. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am presenting a budget-friendly, reliable, and fuel-efficient hatchback, the Suzuki Alto 2003 model, which is available for sale. If you are looking for an economical car for daily use, office commute, or family driving, then this vehicle is definitely worth watching till the end. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Suzuki Alto, model 2003. Suzuki Alto is very popular in Pakistan because of its low maintenance cost, excellent fuel average, and easy availability of spare parts. Even after many years, this car remains one of the most demanded options in the budget category. Now let's talk about the condition of the car. The interior is fully genuine, which is one of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle. The inside condition clearly shows careful usage. The dashboard, seats, flooring, and panels are all in neat and clean condition and give a genuine feel. From the outside, the car has a shower done, which was only for a fresh and clean look. There is no major accident or structural damage. The repainting improves the appearance and gives the car a neat presentation, making it look attractive for its model year. Talking about tires, the car comes with brand new tires installed, which is a big plus point for the new buyer. You do not need to spend extra money on tire replacement, and new tires also improve safety and road grip. Now let's talk about comfort and features. The air conditioner is chilled and works perfectly, which is very important for daily driving in hot weather. The cooling performance is strong, making the drive comfortable even during summers. This Suzuki Alto is running on both CNG and petrol, giving you flexibility according to your fuel preference and budget. The CNG system is working properly, and petrol mode is also fully functional. This dual fuel option helps reduce daily running cost. Under the hood, the engine is running smoothly with no unusual sounds or smoke. Suzuki Alto engines are known for their reliability and fuel efficiency, making this car a great option for everyday use. The suspension system is in good condition and provides a comfortable ride for city driving. The car is easy to handle, park, and drive, especially in congested city areas. Now let's talk about documentation and legal aspects. This car comes with file duplicate, smart card available, and biometric transfer facility is also available, making the ownership transfer process smooth and secure. Buyers can purchase this car with confidence and peace of mind. This Suzuki Alto is ideal for a daily office use, a student's, a small families, a ride or delivery work, a first-time car buyers. Its compact size, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance cost make it a very practical choice. Now coming to the price. The demand for this Suzuki Alto 2003 is only 4,70,000, which is very reasonable considering the condition, brand new tires, working AC, and dual fuel system. If you are searching for a budget car that is reliable, economical, and ready to drive, then this Suzuki Alto is a great option for you. Outgoing email symbol contact inbox for further details or to schedule an inspection. If you like this video and want to see more clean and genuine budget cars, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.